Good morning, everybody. Just a quick one to show you what my aphids did to my plants. This is a regular pepper plant. You can see the little pepper laying in there. And it doesn't look too bad. I think it's going to survive. I picked off every aphid. I smashed them. And then I sprayed it with a little bit of Dawn soap and olive oil mixed in together to drown whatever might be on there again. This one's doing really good after I drowned it. This is a bell pepper plant. Oh, and there's a little friend visiting while I'm at the window getting a drink of water. That is a red-throated hummingbird. And then this is my poor strawberry plant. But look how good it's doing. It's got strawberries on it. This is the strawberry plant that the aphids just devoured. So I brought it inside. And it's struggling. You can see the leaves had the brown around it. And new growth on the bottom. Once again, I drowned it in oil and soap. Plus, I picked off every aphid that I could find and smashed them and killed them. Now, if you remember the lettuce from lettuce, there it is. Look at that. It's just amazing. I don't think I'll get a head of lettuce out of it or even a bowl of lettuce, but just look at the little lettuce. I think next time if I have a head of lettuce, I'm going to cut it up higher. I think higher up will get more growth. But look at that. And then all these little ones coming up just from putting it in water from a head of lettuce. That's crazy. And I haven't seen any growth on my tomato seeds yet. This is the other strawberry that the aphids just completely devoured. I didn't get to it in time. But I've got some new growth coming in. I'm going to just baby it. Baby it, baby it. And now this is my turmeric. I have not been able to get a turmeric to grow. But finally, after, this has been in the ground since September of last year. And then today, look what I see. See this tiny little sprout coming up? I'm not sure what it is because you know what I did? I put some seeds in there from my amaryllis bulbs. They threw out bulbs of seeds, and so I just threw them in here to see if they grow. And I'm not sure. We'll have to wait for it to grow up. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's that amaryllis coming up or if it's my turmeric. Now this thing here, I tried to get rid of the gnats. You know, the little gnats that eat the fungus out of your plants. They said if you put vinegar, and that's apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of soap in a dish with some holes, they go in it and die. It doesn't work. Not one's been in there yet. And I don't have that many, but I certainly don't want them. Okay, everybody, that's the latest of the indoor plants trying to survive. More later. You have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for supporting me.